How to set Netflix audio language that sticks every time. To lock in your preferred Netflix audio language so it applies automatically, you need to update your profile settings via a web browser rather than changing it on a so-by-so basis. So how to change default Netflix language? First of all, open your Chrome browser or any web browser. Tap on the browser. Now simply search for Netflix and head over to their website. Now tap on the Netflix. Now you need to sign up. Now enter your details, Netflix account, passport and ID and log in. Now after you log in successfully, under the profile and parental control section, click the profile you want to edit. Now locate language and click change and set your preferred language. It could be English, French or any other language. Select your preferred display language and your preferred audio and subtitle language. After that, simply tap on Save button. Once saved, Netflix will default to your chosen audio language if available for all shows and movies across all supported devices. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.